Good morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about fourth unit agronomy of field crops. First topic is crop production technology of black gram. The botanical name of black gram is Vigina munca, family Leguminaceae. Vigina munca is an important pulse crop grown throughout India. It is grown in an area of about 3 million hectares in India. Annual production of urdu bean in India is about 1.3 million tons. It accounts 13% of total pulses area and 10% of total pulses production in India. It's mainly used as dal and in preparation of many dishes in our diet. In southern parts of the country, it is used in preparation some special dishes. It is very rich in protein content, about 25% protein in seeds. Then it is also act as cover crop and its deep rooted system protect the soil from erosion. Beside this, green fodder of urdu bean is very nutritive and it's specially useful for milch cattle. Urdu bean being leguminosae has a capacity to fix atmospheric nitrogen and thus helps in restoring the soil fertility. Origin: Urd or black gram is a native of India. The picture shows the black gram of India. Then climatic requirement of black gram. Climate: it is generally grown in kharif and summer seasons. It grows best in hot and humid conditions with the ideal temperature range between 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. It can be grown successfully from sea level up to an elevation of 1800 meters. Heavy rainfalls during flowering are very harmful to the crop. It is best suited to areas having an annual rainfall of 60 to 75 centimeter. Then soil conditions of the black gram growing in our areas. Black gram does well on heavier soils such as black cotton soil which retain moisture much better than other soil. It can be grown all types of soil ranging from sandy loam to clay except the alkaline and saline soil. Loamy and slightly heavy soil with a neutral pH are best suitable for urdu bean. Soil should be well trained and having good water holding capacity. Waterlogged, saline and alkaline soil should be avoided. In the urdu bean cultivations, mainly waterlogged, saline and alkaline soil should be avoided is best for the cultivation of urdu bean. That land preparations of urdu bean. Land preparations. Good land preparation necessary for better yield of black gram. Land should be plowed in summer followed by 2 or 3 harrowing at pre-monsoon for kharif season. Land should be well leveled. Collect the weeds, previous crop stubbles, stones and clean the field for sowing. If necessary, one pre-sowing irrigation should be given. It's best for cultivation of black gram. Then sowing method. There are methods of two method. Sowing should be done in line by drilling method. Should not be shown more than 5 to 6 centimeter in depth. Time of sowing. The time of sowing is middle of June to middle of July is the proper time for black gram sowing kharif season. In summer, sowing should be done from middle of February to middle of March. Late sowing should be avoided. It's the best for cultivation of black gram. Seed treatment. Seed should be treated with thiram at the rate of 2.5 gram per seeds. Then seeds should be treated with rhizobium culture for atmospheric nitrogen fixation. These are the some of the rhizobium species for used for atmospheric nitrogen fixation. For example, pea group rhizobium leguminosarum. Then soybean group rhizobium japonicum. Then lupini group rhizobium lubinio oridiobius. Alpha group is alpha meloliteus group. Beans group arpa Bacilli. Then clever group Basia tripolus, Rhizobium chibolus species. Then cowpea group is for Rhizobium species, Rhizobium species. Then scissor group is Rhizobium species. These are the species used for fixing the nitrogen from atmospheric conditions. Then seed rate and spacing. Season kharif. 12 to 15 kg per hectare is required for seed rate in this Kharif season. Spacing is 30 into 10 centimeter. In summer, black gram seed rate 20 to 25 kg per hectare. The spacing is 20 to 25 into 10 centimeter is the best spacing for cultivation of black gram. Then variety. These are the variety mostly used for the black gram for best productions. For examples, ADT 5, K1, VPN2, Vamban, that is Vamban 2, Vamban 3, Vamban 4. These are the characters: yield of release, 50% flowering days, maturity durations, then grain yield, irrigated conditions, then rice fellows, height, cluster, hairiness of pods, color of grain, 100. These are the parameters are given in the following 5 varieties are given in these pictures. Okay, thank you once again. Thank you for all.